Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of smartphone gimbals. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or just someone who wants buttery smooth footage, you've come to the right place. I've got the top 5 gimbals for 2024 lined up, and trust me, these bad boys are game changers. So grab your favorite beverage, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now before we jump into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to check out the buying links in the description below. If you want to level up your video game, these gimbals are where it's at. Alright, let's roll. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal, the ultimate companion for capturing life's precious moments with ease and precision. Stay on point with Active Track 6.0. With upgraded tracking technology, Hohem 6 sticks to your energetic kids or playful pets like glue. You can even make it track yourself. Say goodbye to shaky footage with silky smooth shots thanks to its 3-axis stabilization. Even when you're on the move, DJI Osmo 6 ensures buttery smooth videos. So quick, so easy. This smartphone stabilizer powers on as soon as you unfold it. Just attach your phone, and you're ready to shoot. Lightweight, compact, and extendable. With a foldable design and weighing only 309 grams, take the Osmo 6 anywhere. Extend the built-in extension rod for creative angles or the perfect selfie. Shoot like a pro, even if you're a newbie. Osmo 6's shot guides recognizes your scene and suggests a shot sequence, making it easy to create stunning films, even if it's your first time. Use the side wheel to get cinematic effects. Take control over focus and zoom to nail that cinematic blur, or try a Hitchcock zoom for some dramatic flair. Stain-resistant and coated in a non-slip texture with an ergonomic grip, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is designed to stay secure in your hands, compatible with most iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Huawei series. With the new parents and kids mode, capture heartwarming moments as the gimbal autonomously shoots and records, allowing parents to be present in the frame. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal, your key to capturing life's moments effortlessly. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus, the ultimate smartphone gimbal kit designed to elevate your content creation experience. With 3 different color temperature settings and 10 brightness levels, the magnetic fill light lets you capture every moment in natural, cool, or warm light, even in low-light environments. It's magnetically connected to the phone stabilizer, making it perfect for selfies or capturing shots of others. Enjoy limitless creative freedom with 600-degree inception mode and explore a world of possibilities with waist, base, and phone clamp ports compatible with various accessories. From extension rods to tripods, lights, and microphones, unlock new dimensions of creativity with the iSteady Mobile Plus. With a max payload of 280G, this gimbal can handle even the heaviest smartphones effortlessly. Compatible with a wide range of devices including iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Huawei series, the iSteady Mobile Plus ensures universal compatibility. Enjoy up to 13 hours of shooting with the iSteady Mobile Plus. Ideal for vloggers on the go. Switch effortlessly to vertical filming mode with a rapid handle rotation, eliminating the need for disassembly or rebalancing. Experience cinematic level stability with iSteady 7.0 technology, ensuring smooth footage even during intense movements. Switch to ultra-wide angle mode for crisp, shake-free landscape shots. Perfect for sports vloggers and content creators. Before powering on the gimbal, ensure proper phone mounting and balancing for optimal performance. Follow these simple steps to achieve the perfect balance and start capturing stunning footage in no time. Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. Elevate your content creation game and unleash your creativity like never before. The Zhiyun Smooth 5-phone gimbal. Designed to revolutionize your smartphone filmmaking experience. With its 3-axis stable structure and brand new motor algorithm, the Smooth 5 ensures stability in all filming angles and positions. Elevate your footage with the magnetic fill light, allowing for stepless dimming and installation on both sides of the phone clamp and smartphone. Take full control of your filming parameters using the intuitive control panel and control wheel, while the professional round joystick enables smooth movement filming. Unlock endless creative possibilities with the intelligent ZY Cami feature, offering smart follow, gesture control, time-lapse, and panorama functions. Enjoy uninterrupted filming with fast charging support, allowing for a fully charged gimbal in just 2 hours and up to 25 hours of battery life under normal conditions. Zhiyun Smooth 5-phone gimbal, your tool for smooth and stable filmmaking anytime, anywhere. The Zhiyun Smooth Q3, the ultimate phone stabilizer designed to elevate your filmmaking experience. Add a radiant glow to your shots with the touch-sensitive fill light of the Smooth Q3. Flip it back and forth 180-degree with 3-level adjustment to meet different lighting needs, ensuring you can shoot movies anytime, anywhere with a luminous touch. Experience seamless stability with the 3-axis gimbal stabilizer of the Q3. Featuring pan following, locking, full follow, and phone go modes, this optimized system effortlessly eliminates shaky footage, delivering super smooth stabilized images for your videos. Always stay in the spotlight with Smart Follow 3.0. Activate it with just one tap via the app and control shooting with a single gesture. Explore multiple panorama modes to capture every angle effortlessly. Weighing only 340 g, the Smooth Q3 is lightweight yet powerful, supporting devices up to 280 g. Its sleek, foldable design makes it portable, while the built-in 1500 mAh battery ensures up to 10 hours of operation, perfect for vloggers and content creators on the go. Unlock professional cinematic features with the ZY Kami app. Select from slow motion, dolly zoom, inception mode, 360 degrees panorama, or time-lapse mode, and follow the on-screen tips to create your next masterpiece. Explore a wide variety of built-in creative shooting templates for easy and fun movie creation. Zhiyun Smooth Q3. Elevate your filmmaking game and capture smooth, professional quality videos wherever your creativity takes you. The Joby Smart Stabilizer, the ultimate companion for vloggers and content creators seeking to elevate their smartphone videography game. With its advanced 3-axis stabilization system, the Joby Smart Stabilizer ensures that your videos are incredibly smooth and free from unwanted shakes or jitters. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action shots or filming serene landscapes, this gimbal provides unparalleled stability for professional quality footage. But that's not all. The Joby Smart Stabilizer comes equipped with a dedicated Smart Stabilizer app that takes your videography to the next level. With features like face and object tracking, you can effortlessly keep your subjects in focus, ensuring that every frame is crisp and clear. Need to capture a wider shot? No problem. The Joby Smart Stabilizer features a telescopic handle that extends up to 7 inches, allowing you to adjust your shooting angle and composition with ease. Whether you're shooting from low angles or capturing aerial views, this gimbal provides the flexibility you need to unleash your creativity. And versatility is key. The Joby Smart Stabilizer supports both landscape and portrait modes, giving you the freedom to explore different aspect ratios and shooting orientations. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, this gimbal adapts to your preferred style and format. With the Joby Smart Stabilizer by your side, you can confidently create professional quality videos that stand out from the crowd. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to cinematic perfection. It's time to take your smartphone videography to new heights with Joby. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 best gimbal for smartphones in 2024. If you enjoyed this roundup, show us some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way.